Good morning everyone. Today we are going to look at the topic called welding. So we can start by defining welding. So in engineering, welding is any process in which two or more pieces of metals are joined together by the application of heat, pressure, or a combination of both. Then we have common types of welding. We have what we call an arc welding. We have oxy-fuel gas welding, and then we have resistance welding, and then we have, let's go to types of arc welding. In arc welding we have two types, one being consumable electrode arc welding and a non-consumable electrodes arc welding. And then again, let's look at the types of consumable electrode arc welding processes. We have type 1, we call a shielded metal arc welding. Another type is smart arc welding, and then another one is a metal arc welding. Those are the types of consumable electrode arc welding processes. Then let's look at the types of non-consumable electrodes arc welding processes. One, we have what we call a cast tungsten arc welding. Another type, we have a plasma arc welding and carbon arc welding. And then next, let's define something. Well, let's define the shielded metal arc welding. This process uses a consumable electrode which serves as a filler material as well. The electrode is covered with a flux that gives off favors to shield the welding area. The core of the electrode melts in the welding area and provides the necessary filler material. Then we have cast metal arc welding. This one employs a continuously laid wire that serves both as an electrode and filler material. Shielding gas is flown around the wire to protect from the weld site contamination. Unlike in shielded metal arc welding, this process is relatively fast since the electrode is fed continuously to the welding area along with the inert gas. So in this one, no time is wasted in replacing the consumed electrode. So that's the end of my slides. Thank you for listening.